To make 500 milliliters or about a pint of grapefruit star anise sorbet, start by infusing a star anise pod into a simple syrup with the grapefruit peel. Scale 75 grams of honey and 75 grams of water into a small sauce pot. Add the peel of one grapefruit without the white pith and one star anise pod. Bring the simple syrup to a boil, then remove from the heat and allow to cool to room temperature before straining out the peel and star anise pod. Next, peel and segment ruby grapefruits to yield 350 grams of segments with their juice, about 2 to 3 grapefruits, and add 150 grams of the grapefruit star anise simple syrup. Blend and strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve and chill completely in the refrigerator until you're ready to freeze it in a gelato machine. The sorbet is ready when it has thickened to a scoopable soft serve consistency. Portion into a small jar with a sprig of mint for a garnish and serve with a dusting of powdered sugar and a demi-tasse spoon. A licorice scented tart grapefruit sorbet is very refreshing.